ultimate of designers, is the man who built Thomas's truck for him. This is what Sbarro built for himself, the hubless wheel.
Ah, Franco. It's a good thing he's there. I mean, he's proof that not all the Swiss are boring.
By putting the stress point of the wheel as close as possible to the ground, Sbarro has managed to remove one link in the energy chain that travels from the bike's engine to the road.
What it's given me is a new solution in that I've dramatically lowered the unsprung weight. There's much more stability from the lower centre of gravity, and the whole thing functions on a median line that is as close as possible to the ground.
We may only see them on luxury cars and motorcycles at first, but ultimately this may become a new standard for vehicle wheels. Motorcycles already lead many of the design trends in contemporary transport. Their power plants, for example, are improved yearly, while car engines see advancement only a few times in a decade. In the future, bikes will be a logical starting place for advanced vehicle design. The Wagner Monotrace is a bike trying to become a car. It'll do almost 250 kilometers an hour and comes equipped with a CD player, air conditioning, and a luxury interior. There's a BMW motorcycle in there somewhere, but everything has been stretched and lowered to accommodate 2 passengers, while providing speed and stability above and beyond conventional motorcycles.
The long wheelbase is actually the thing that's needed most by all motorcycles, because a normal motorcycle has much too short a wheelbase and much too high a center of gravity, so that when you accelerate it, it will lift the front wheel, and when you brake, it will lift the rear wheel.
The Monotrace's side wheels drop for support when stopping. They're controlled from the front seat and are computer protected from deploying at more than 5 kilometers an hour. The Monotrace can be laid on its side and picked up again quite simply. Similar in design is America's Pulse car, which takes its styling cues from aircraft. The aerodynamically shaped fiberglass cabin of the Pulse car reduces its drag coefficient to 1/10 that of a motorcycle and rider. The computer design revolution, which makes the Pulse car possible, will ultimately provide a specific car for every need.
There's going to be emerging
January 1997 will be remembered as a month that changed the world. Dolly, the world's first clone, was created. On Sunday, Premier 12 charts the cloning revolution, looking at how Dolly was made and traces the developments in cloning technology. Combined with genes manipulation, these developments in cloning now point the way to a brave new world. Should we clone humans? How do we control the biotechnology companies? And what are the ethical implications? The Cloning Revolution, Sunday, Premier 12.
This is a model for the technology we'll all use tomorrow. The McLaren F1, said to be the greatest production car ever built,